Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the project we're making today. It's this gorgeous little Easter basket, as you can see. Really sweet and dinky with all these yummy Easter eggs inside it. So, this is a project we actually made at my recent car club. I hold a monthly online craft club in my Facebook group, and I send the kits out for you to make each project, and then we have a Facebook Live once a month and we craft together. So do check that out, it's a lot of fun. So today we are using this paper. This is the Flowers for Every Season paper. Is it not gorgeous? You've got here the daisies, and on the inside you've got this lovely cinnamon cider. This one was these gorgeous flowers here as well. So let me show you what I did. We have a piece here, this is 6 inches by 6 inches, so that's as it comes. And we're going to score each side at 2 inches. So I'm going to use our thicker end of our stylus because we are scoring on designer series paper and not cardstock. And we're just scoring at 2 inches on all sides. So we've done that. That's all of our scoring done and dusted. So let's put our scoreboard away and let us fold on all of our score lines. It's really pretty paper. Okay, and last one but not least. Okay, now it doesn't matter which side you do this, but we're going to cut our tabs, so we're going to cut up to the score line. And sometimes it can be a bit difficult to see. I think I have maybe more luck on the reverse. I've got a ton of lights here, and sometimes it makes it really difficult to see. Okay, you can see here, we're just cutting up to the score line here. Let's see, maybe. There we go, I had to concentrate for that, but we're done. So now we've got our tabs opened up like this. Okay, and what we're going to do is fold the side tabs together until these 2 points meet, like that. Okay, so all I'm going to do is to put tear and tape on the inside of this tab and on the outside of the other one. So inside of one and outside of the other. You can do whatever you like, but just make sure one is in and one is out. As cockeyed as that sounds. Okay, give it a bit of a burnish. And just take our tear and tape our backs off, push this little piece in and just make sure you've got the bits right so you can see that it fits together just like that. Okay, and then on the inside here you can put some more tear and tape, or you can also just put some Tombow. For ease today, I'm just going to use some Tombow. And you're just going to fold this back up, keeping everything nicely lined up. Okay, just like that. So now we're going to do the other side. And the same thing, we're going to fold so these 2 meet. Okay. So I'm just going to put some tear and tape here. And I'll see if I can get away with not putting it on the other one. But I think I do need to on this one. And then here. I'm actually not going to go all the way to the top as I did last time because I could see some of it might stick out. So I'm not going to do that. I'll take our tear and tape off like this. So remember, one out, one in. And just closing it up like that, and then just so we have a neat inside, just going to put Tombow on the inside here, and then let's put it away before I get it everywhere. And then you're just going to bring this up straight to meet your wall, like that. Okay, really simple. So let's get rid of some of these backings before they drive me nuts, because they will. And then I've got some here, the same paper, measuring 6 inches by 1 inch wide. And this is just going to make our little handle. And I'm just going to put a little bit of Tombow at either end. And just basically going to line it up so the point is in the centre, like that. Fold it over. Line it up again so the point is in the centre, or nearest to centre as you feels. Okay, and there we have our little bag, our little basket. Isn't it cute? Now you can decorate it however you wish. I'm going to again decorate it with some ribbon, and this is the In Colours ribbon, and this is Magenta Madness. So we're going to try and tie 2 bows. Okay, so we have 2 bows eventually. So we are going to use some glue dots now. I don't seem to have got glue dots everywhere, but anyway, we're going to just put on some glue dots here, like this. And I'm just going to put this over this join here, where that point is, just for some added decoration. Whoopsie daisy. And we're going to do the same on the other side here, like that. And so there you go. There's our 2 projects. A lovely little Easter basket. So I hope you enjoyed that project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give me a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about this project, supply lists, links to my online shop, etc., all the information will be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes, as I said, my Facebook, where we host an online craft club every month. And we're making projects just like this project that came from Craft Club, where, you know, we make lovely little things, and I send you the kits, and everything is included in the kits, bar adhesive. So it's a great little club to belong to, so please do check it out. So thank you again. Until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.